In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete the Brain Drama Puzzle Launcher on Android. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a few different ways how we can do this. So the first way is to go to settings. So swipe down on your device and then click into settings. So that's a little gear icon here. Now, once we're inside settings, we want to scroll down and look for apps. So here it is here, click onto apps. Now we can scroll down and find Brain Drama Puzzle. So Brain Drama, where is it? There it is there, click onto it, or we can do a search and type in Brain, it should be the first one. Now once we've clicked onto it, we're going to be inside of app info. So from here, scroll down. Now under defaults, we want to make sure to click on home screen and click on One UI. Now that's going to get your home screen back to normal. As you can see here, we don't have that, all that other stuff from the Brain Drama Puzzle. Now we want to go back in the settings, click on back, and then we can go ahead and click on uninstall, and that's going to go ahead and uninstall the application. Now another way to do this is to find your Brain Drama Puzzle. So if we go ahead and swipe up on our phone and type in Brain, here it is here. So we can click and hold down the application. We can click on uninstall too, or we can click onto the eye, click on uninstall, and that's going to uninstall it. Or we can go to our Play Store, search for Brain Drama Puzzle, and then go ahead and click on uninstall. So there's a few different ways how to uninstall it, like so. So that is uninstalled now. So if I swipe up and type in Brain, nothing's going to appear.